Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hoping you're having a wonderful day. I'm back out on the water, and today I'm on the Newport NS130 Inflatable Skiff. This platform comes in at 13 feet long, 48 inches wide. Raw, it weighs about 66 pounds. Without the motor, fully rigged up the way I have it, is closer to 90 pounds, and you can do up to a 6-horse motor on the stern. That's what I'm running on my Yamaha back there. You can run it in a solo or a tandem configuration, so second seat would be up front here. And then the plate system up on the bow would be if you want to do a mini power pole or a bow-mounted trolling motor. Alrighty, let's see what it can do. Let's open it up a bit and see if there's any flex in this floor or how rigid it is, being that it's an inflatable. So let's give it a rip. Really quite smooth. Feel a tiny bit of flex on the floor, and that's about it. No flex out on the otter pontoons at all. Really nice. Yeah, I like it. So I can see the appeal to some people if they need something lighter weight than a standard skiff or something for storage while you'd be interested in an inflatable. Let's get my GPS out and see what type of speeds we're getting. Oh, wind's kicking up. That's 7 miles an hour. That's 10. All right, we're at 13. 13, just over. Going into the wind. So not bad. Just seems to be a few miles an hour slower than hard skiffs like my solo skiff, which I can get up to 16, 17 with the same motor. But still a ton of fun. Allowed to go cover a lot of ground. Here at lakes, coasts, big rivers, I can see the appeal to an inflatable skiff for some. All right, let's just go right here. Let's kill the engine and let's see about some stability. Seat's quite comfortable. Got a few inches of padding underneath it. It's a 360 swivel seat. That's nice as well. And I really like this little paddle holder here. As far as maneuverability, a few sweep strokes. You can turn it around wherever you want. And that's not a problem at all. You come all the way up to the front and paddle up here. or to deploy your trolling motor setup. So it's going to take a little bit of used to getting walking around on it for some, including myself, but kind of a cool platform overall. Alrighty, let's take off one more time. And just that fast, you're away. So if you're interested in a inflatable skiff, check out the Newport NS130, see what you think. As always, appreciate you coming and hanging out with me. We'll catch you guys in the next one.